All right, guys, this quick video that I would want to end this training with is the things that you have to, you are human, right? So you're gonna face these challenges when you are on a decent role, when you get to the level that you are on this good role. Now, what do you have to do? So you will maybe like a few days will go by, you will not be able to, put in the work, you will not be able to hit the KPIs, you will not be able to perform to your best of the abilities. You don't have to be depressed. You don't have to say that I can't do it. You will see other guys putting up a lot of sets and you're not one of them. And you will feel like you don't know the work, but you just have to bring yourself up and start over again. Try to put up more sets. Ask the guys who are putting up more sets on, how do you guys put up more sets? Ask them, how do you, if you see that one person is really, really consistent, ask him, bro, how do you do that? I struggle with consistency. Say that to him. And they will usually, if they're a good human being, they will try to help you out. And every role is different. So the way you get more opportunity in roles is different. So for example, the offer that I'm on, if you get your hands on the new leads as fast as possible and dial them within like 5 minutes, within 2 minutes, that's our standard. If you dial them within 2 minutes, you are going to get the best leads, you are going to make more money, and you will be able to get more deals. Now there may be offers where you have to just do more follow-ups, you have to do more dials, you have to just learn a lot in terms of your skill set. If you have like a B2C offer, you have to go into their pen, you have to challenge them to make them even show up. If you're on a B2B offer, you will have to be more professional, more analytical. You have to just know more about your offer and their needs. You have to present the call as something that can help them. That's something you have to do. But just remember that you are human, and if you try to just have like expectations of a really strict guy, a really non-human expectations, like you stand up at the same time, you get into work at the same time, you just do the dials every single day, regardless of whatever is going on. You feel like something is not working, you still do the dials. Like that's like not gonna happen, guys. You will mess up 1 day a week, 2 day a week, 2 days a week. For me personally, I mess up all the times, but I know that if I get myself back up and put in the work, even if I face it like an hour, then I can still stay on good roles and still get results. So sometimes people, when they mess up, like they wake up and they just waste 2 hours scrolling through Instagram, they just feel like, okay, I wasted today as well. But no, you have 22 hours. So try to use the 22 hours, put your mind to like, just try to put that away, try to get to work without thinking. Like you will get thoughts like, okay, I wasted 2 hours and now when I jump on computer, I might scroll there as well. If you think that way, you will scroll. You will just, if you think like, okay, I wasted 2 hours, I'm not serious, and I don't want to put in the work. It's hard. It's like, if you have negative conversations in your mind, you will definitely going to have negative results. You will not want to put in the work. You will go out with friends, you will call friends, you will just waste time. That's not something you want to do. So try to be in a positive frame every single time. Even if you have done something negative, just say that, no worries, I did this, but I will do the good things more than the negatives. Like the positives will outweigh the negatives all the time if you do them more. So yeah, that's a quick mindset, like 4 minutes, I know, but that's a quick mindset that you have to operate on when you are in the roles, when you are doing networking calls. Even one networking call doesn't go your way, the next one should go your way. The one call like goes really well, try to ask that guy at the end of the call, what do you feel I did good that made me perceive better in your eyes, so that I can do it more in the next networking calls. If you ask that, you will show up as experts, and just try to record these calls, run them through AI, and ask AI these things as well. You can get a lot of good answers as well. Send them to the community, my WhatsApp community. I will try to answer them. Tag me so that I can answer. I always look at the messages in the community. I would always try to reply to them. I may send like one voice after 2 days, but I will reply. So do that, and always try to learn, guys. That's it. That's all it matters. That's all that matters. You are looking to learn. If you show that you are looking to learn with over communication, you will absolutely dominate in this industry. This is a really new industry, really unserious people, so much opportunity, less people to fill it, and less serious people are there. If you take this as your career, guys, like literally you will dominate every single guy who is just looking to do this as a side hustle. And to be honest, most of the guys just want to make like $1,000 a month. And it's not that it's bad, it's just that you will get overperformed by a guy who just wants to make 20K a month, in the same space. And he's just all in. He wants to do, he wants to live his life doing this skill set. So yeah. I mean, nothing else is coming to my mind. But yeah, hopefully that helps, guys. Hope you have a great day, and I'll leave you to that. Anything you want to ask, drop in the comments so that you can get engagement, or just message me on the WhatsApp group. Again, I'm always willing to help. And yeah, so from today, I will post more content in terms of closing. Now, closing, I'm learning closing. I'm learning to become more consistent. I'm learning to do more calls. I'm learning to do networking with closers. So that's like my next level. I'm learning to do that. And the goal is to make 10K a month before June 2026, and through closing, right? So that's the goal. And we are going to post everything that I learned while I'm doing that. So yeah, that's all, guys. That's all for this one. So you can have the expectation of what the next videos are gonna look like. So this WhatsApp group is still gonna stay active. I'm gonna post all my learnings. I will post more job opportunities there, and hopefully that helps. And hopefully I will get people to coach you guys on coaching calls. I know a lot of guys. One is down as well to do that, and I may get another guy who may be able to do that as well. But yeah, if you watch it till the end, till this this one ends, you may know that I will make people jump on coaching calls with you. Just drop me a message. That way I know that you actually want it. I don't want to waste someone's time when there's no one who's going to show up. So yeah, that's it. Hope you have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Peace out.